and today we're doing a kind of a favorites. Our favorites aren't cool anymore though. So these are products I'm loving and a really cool dupe that I found. If you are new to my channel, hey, hi, how are you? So basically, I have a lot of skincare, body care products that have been sent to me over the past, to be honest, like 6 months. And I've kind of been trying them out. Some of them I haven't even opened, which you're probably like, well, why would you include that in the products you love? Because a lot of them I already have and I've already tried and I know that I like them. So I also included my Grove collaborative order because it seemed like the appropriate thing to do because I didn't want to do a whole unboxing of 3 Grove products, so we'll do it right here in this video. So anyway, the first items are from Ren. By the way, before we get into this, if you're new to my channel, I love skincare. I love trying everything. I have, however, recently figured out that I cannot, within like the past 5 months, I cannot use hyaluronic acid. I have rosacea. If you're not familiar with that, it's redness of the skin. It's like the dilation of the capillaries beneath the skin, just chronic blushing. But there's more to it than that. It's not just blushing. And if you have rosacea, you know. Anyway, hyaluronic acid, as soon as I use it now that I've put it all together, I know if a product has it in it, but I don't risk it. So I look all the ingredients over. A lot of the brands that I try don't use a lot of hyaluronic acid. It's a very common ingredient now. It's very like a buzzword. And by the way, just because it doesn't work for me, it's great for a lot of people with rosacea. Just so we're clear, a lot of people can use it and they tolerate it, and it's really good for your skin because it's so hydrating. It's a humectant, so it draws moisture from the air. But where was I going with this? Back where I started, I did it. I root through products and I use a lot of natural skincare. So a lot of things are sent to me and I've tried literally everything in my time as a reviewer. So first, this is the Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. This I didn't open because I've used this before and I don't need a toner right now. They have changed the packaging. It used to be one of those fountain pumps, like has like a bird bath, it looks like. It's no longer like that. If you're not familiar with Ren, they use like very aesthetically pleasing smells, and they're all natural smells. They're not like artificial, and like textures and things like that. It's a very like gentle and all natural, and I do love their products. I will use this eventually, but no point in opening it if I already know I like it. What this does, and why I brought up the rosacea bit, is because a lot of salicylic glycolic acids are very, they can be really triggering for people with rosacea. Lactic acid though, which is what this has in it, I believe, yeah, right? AHA, yeah, that's lactic acid, is gentle for rosacea. So this is a gentle one. I, however, can tolerate, weirdly enough, the hyaluronic acid is a no for me, but the glycolic, salicylic, it's very confusing and it's trial and error. But to put it like, to paint a really broad, most people with rosacea can tolerate hyaluronic acid. Most people with rosacea cannot tolerate glycolic or salicylic. But anyway, I like this. It's very nice. But they sent, this is their body serum. This stuff is amazing. I love it. This is the AHA Smart Renewal Body Serum. So basically you rub this all over. What I like is I keep it next to my bathtub. And so I use a body scrub when I'm in the bath, because the bath isn't about like washing my body. It's always about like relaxing. So I put like a body scrub on and it's like all like, nice. And then when I get out, I put this on my legs. Oh, did I say I put the body scrub on my legs? I like it because it gets rid of that like layer of skin, but then I put this on too, and it's very nice and I like it a lot. So there's that. So my first 2 products. All right, then this is something I love. This is the Kiehls Soulcare Tranquil Essence. This is like a toner, but you're supposed to use it before you go to bed. It smells like roses and lavender, and it's just beautiful. If you like florals, these are like those pretty bottles you want to keep on your nightstand. It's just a nice product. Do you guys like my socks? I got them at Dollar Tree, aren't they cute? Anyway, so and there's like an affirmation on there. It says, "I am full of greatness," and then it's also written in French, which I won't bother to butcher. But yeah, beautiful bottle, very nice product. I think more aesthetic than it is anything else, but still not bad. Like it. All right. Next up is a sad product for me. This is, if you notice, it's in the box, not opened. This is Youth to the People, who I love. They make all natural skincare products that are really, really great. This is their Polypeptide 1-2-1 Future Cream. Strengthens, firms, moisturizes, plants, proteins, biotech, collagen. I was like, oh, collagen? Looked at the ingredients. Third ingredient, hyaluronic acid. Can't use it. So, that's a bummer. But it sounds like a really great cream. The collagen itself, just chef's kiss. All right, then we have some, these are, I have a whole bunch of stuff from Think. If you're not familiar with them, they're an all natural like sunscreen. They also make deodorants, because I have 2 of them here. These sunscreens, I have all of these. I don't know why they sent them to me again. They did. This is their Think Body SPF 50 sunscreen. These are mineral sunscreen, so they do not sink into your skin, they lay on your skin. It's a double-edged sword, I'm gonna be real honest, because part of me is like, I love that they're non-toxic, or they don't have weird chemicals in them, but also it means they lay on your skin and they leave white cast. It's the price you pay. But do they work? Absolutely. SPF 50. So if you want something for your kids, definitely try these out. This is their Think Sport. This is the oh no, it's Think, not Body, it was Think Baby. Think Sport. So this is their active one, SPF 50 again, the standard for safe sunscreen, and then they have a face one. So I have tried their face one. I haven't opened this one. I have tried it before. It does leave a little bit of a white. If you mix it with a moisturizer though, it's okay, and it does work really nice. Like, I feel like stuff with zinc oxide in it makes my skin calmer, like it reduces redness. Is it just me? I don't know if there's anything to that. It could just be my imagination, but might not. All right, next we have, I actually really like these. So this is the Think Sport and the Think. So one is natural deodorant and one is the magnesium deodorant. I don't actually know the difference. I think this one is less like abrasive on your underarm. So they're aluminum free, paraben free, BPA free, cleaner, healthier deodorants that help neutralize odor and keep you fresh longer. This one though is safer products for healthier athletes, it says, and it is chamomile citrus scented. So it's nice. I'm gonna say this one I like more than the other one. Not the scent, I like the scent of this one better. I'm gonna tell you, this one falls apart. So this is rose and lavender. It smells, I love floral, so I can't help it. This like flakes apart. It falls, like as I'm putting it on, like pieces are falling out of it. So I kind of don't like that. But otherwise, I love it. This one is a little more, I find that it has like a, almost like lip balm. Does that sound weird? That's what I would call that. Anyway. And that's probably why it's for athletes, because it's kind of like an anti-chafing type of a deal. Anyway, there's that. Next up we have, oh, do I want to do this? Yeah, sure. The Teague Hanley Clay Mask. So if you want just a nice, I want to say this is like, it's not like your traditional clay mask. It doesn't like get real dry. It is detoxifying. It does draw out impurities, but you're not going to get that same like dry chalk residue, you know what I mean? You're just going to put it on. And so here's the instructions. I see it in my mind what I'm going to say, but then when it comes out, I'm like, oh, that wasn't what I wanted to say. All right, best to use. Use fingers to apply an even layer over entire clean, dry face. Avoid your eyes and mouth. No need to avoid stubble or short beard. Leave mask on for 10 minutes. Remove with warm water or damp cloth. This product tingles and tightens to let you know it's working. For best results, use once a week. Jars should last approximately 1 to 2 uses. So this is nice. It's not going to give you that like dry, you know how like most clay masks, they'll dry on and then they tighten and then you wash it off. This is more like it's just wet the whole time. Does this make sense? Okay, next up, I'm so excited. This is the Kiehls Midnight Recovery Omega Rich Cloud Cream. This has the craziest consistency. Like, I don't even know how to describe it. I'm gonna try to insert like a video of me doing that because it's so nice. It's just, it is really thick. It's beautiful. It goes on just with the most, I love this. This is, if you want something deeply nourishing and just phenomenal, the Kiehls Cloud Cream is full of omega-3 fatty acids and all sorts of stuff like that. It's just a beautiful night cream that you let it sit on. And like, so for me, I run and it's cold out, so when I go out in the morning, I have to put something on my face. Like, this is a great like protectant. I want to say like a barrier cream. I do love it. Love. All right, so these are some seed balls that came with the Youth to the People thing. Figured I'd throw that in there, why not? And then the reason I made this video was like, I have to do this. I forgot this. Just a couple weeks ago, I posted, maybe it was a month ago now, I don't know. Time is weird. Keeps going. I did the rosacea products like that work with rosacea skin and stuff. I found this and I was like, oh, I never really tried this out. So I tried it a couple times. I'm like, this is a freaking dupe for Dr. Jart. Or the, yeah, is that it? The Cicapair stuff? This is amazing. So first of all, it's a CBD cream from Derma. It's the Skin De-Stress CBD Cheek and Eye Cream Corrector. Phytocannabinoids, hemp, and tamanu seed oil. So this is green. It goes on just like Dr. Jart. You rub it in and it gives you that. I love it. This is nice. It is a little pricey, not gonna lie, but I think it's amazing. So yeah, there's that. All right, so that's all the products that I have floating around in my life that I figured I'd share with you guys. We're gonna put them all back in my little basket that I also bought at Dollar Tree. And we're gonna open our Grove Collaborative. So I like to get the seasonal scents because why not? And so they have, I better not show you guys my address. You don't want to come to my house, do you? I cannot smell pine or anything like that. It gives me a headache as soon as I smell it. Not real pine, but like the scent, like candles, anything like that. It like immediately, like I could feel the sides of my head get tight. So I was looking at their thing. There was like Iowa pine, and there was like, my husband hates artificial cinnamon scents, so those are out. So I was like, they had orange clove, and I was like, that smells nice. So I got the Mrs. Meyer's orange clove hand soap. I got the Mrs. Meyer's orange clove multi-surface spray. And I got the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day dish soap in orange clove. So those are my three things. I have them ship it to me. I just pay the shipping. I don't do that whole add another thing and get, you know, I don't know. No, it's okay. Anyway, I'll put my referral to that down below. I'll also link to each of the products that I listed in this video. Maybe you find something on there that you love. Maybe you don't like any of it. That's okay too. I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season so far. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. Guys, I almost forgot. I figured in this video we might as well include some Aldi's candles that I've tried and I've liked. This is Cypress Mint. This is one of their holiday candles. I really like this one. But then I also have, sorry, these are all like products for videos that I will get to eventually. This is the Cinnamon Pumpkin Latte. This one actually is good. And my husband did not know that it was cinnamon. He didn't say anything about it, so I tricked him.